Difference. Very big difference. Yeah.
So what are you gonna do to just?
A lot of good jobs here since the coal industry left, and whatever companies are left have a hard time finding people.
Hey, you gonna use the lane? I hate when people do.
The homospheric movement, which is like, okay, we need to change things, but for humans, we should slow it down because we can't change humans too quickly. And there's other people
empty and safe and all that. So anyhow, onto our safety, there is a safety actually in both positions. So if you have the bolt closed, there's an exit here off the rear. And then the weirdest fucking thing happened. I don't know if it diverted.
Manual recording will now start.
This is a fucking road,
On the second, it may have bounced.
not a fucking speed gate.
It's cheap to have a spot there or something.
You seem kind of nonchalant. Are you gonna be pick a fucking. This shirt seems relevant. Gay pride stuff in a Mormon land Walmart. What the?
Manual recording will now start.